Want to know how to play games in Messenger with friends? You would want to play Messenger games as it provides quick entertainment for when you have downtime. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to play games in Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Messenger app on your screen. Then open your friend's profile you wish to play games. Likewise, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. An icon will appear. Tap on the Play Games option at the top. Here you can see multiple games options. Now select according to your preference. So this is how to play games on Messenger with friends. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.